Today we got the pink wig, y'all. Pink wig, thick ass, giving wig flash. I think big get cash, make them be fast. Now look at what you just swore. This is what you live for. I'm a motherfucking monster. Okay, y'all. So this wig is from ebonyline.com. Okay, y'all. The company name is Sensationnel. It comes in multiple different colors. Pink, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, red, any color that you want. I got me pink. Oh my God. Okay, let's read the stuff. So it take up to 300 to 400 degrees. Ear to ear with baby hair. I think that's it, y'all. I got neon pink. Neon pink. Here go how it look on the pack. So let's take this bad boy out. I think I'm getting my locks done tomorrow, y'all. So that's why I'm trying to go ahead and record, do these 2 wigs today. Ooh, because I got my locks to do. Ooh, y'all, I got my locks to do, tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and record 2 videos today. Ooh, honey. That pink is giving. Oh, my God. I think this is probably the best straight hair I done seen. We gonna see. Because the other straight hair, it wasn't all that. But this one look like it's gonna be all that. Like, look, y'all. That's the inside right there. Okay, y'all. So, which one of these? I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inside, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the inside. Okay. So the lace tinted good, y'all. And y'all know how a lace, let me tell y'all when y'all know you got a good lace. When you spray the tint in there, like the tinted lace, if it don't bubble up on the lace, that means you got a good lace. This inside of the lace, the outside, it didn't bubble up not once. That means it's a good lace, y'all. I had a lace that did that before. It was not a good lace. Lace, honey. It's giving good lace. So let me go ahead and go put this on my head and see how the hair feels. And I'm going to come back and tell y'all. So, let me go ahead and tell y'all. This hair probably going to get a 10 out of 10 for me. Because my other straight bundles, they were so thick. So they kept getting tangled. But, this is like thin. It's thin. So it's really not thick. So you really don't get that too thick effect. You know what I'm saying? It's giving thin. And it's giving like, it's coming out your scalp. You know? I like it. I probably wish it was thick in this area because it's like it's giving real thin, but it's giving flat like it's coming out the scalp. So that's why I'm not really complaining. Look, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's not giving as nappy as the other one. Like the other straight hair I got from the hair store, it was so thick I couldn't really comb it. Like it was getting too napped up. But I like this one because it's not really thick. The only part I really don't like is this flat part, but that'd be cute too if you do it right. So let me go see what I can do with this, y'all, and I'll be right back. All right, YouTube, now look at this hair. Now, what I told y'all. Now, what? This hair get a 10 out of 10, y'all. Look, hold on. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all why it get a 10 out of 10. That's why it get a 10 out of 10. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? No talk back from the hair. Okay, so let me tell y'all my thoughts on this hair. So, boom, as y'all can see, I cut the ends. I did not cut them like, you know what I'm saying, like sharp cut. So, don't mind the ends. But the hair get a 10 out of 10. It don't tangle up that much. Like, it really don't even tangle up. I'm going to be honest. The hair really don't even tangle up. Like, this hair is some good hair. Like, and it's bone straight. It's bone straight. Everybody love it. So, I'm finna drop this video. And if you want this hair, everything will be in the bio below. The link to this hair is going to be down there below. All I got to do is click it, go buy it. And it only took 3 days to come. When I tell y'all this hair is bomb, like, this hair is bomb. This hair is freaking bomb, y'all. Like, come on. Like, how bone straight y'all go get? How bone straight y'all go get? How bone straight? How bone straight? Y'all see, y'all. Yeah. And I'm going to be honest, this is the best straight hair I ever got. This is the best straight hair I ever received, y'all. Ebony line. Y'all put y'all foot in this one. Y'all put y'all foot in this one. I love it. I love it. Let me get y'all up close. Be like, well, you far away. We need to see up close. And what about it? No filter. No Philly. No filter. No filter, baby. No filter, baby. But for real, y'all, go order this hair. This is some bomb hair, y'all. This is some bomb hair, okay?